From the age of oil to the era of electrification, the world's energy landscape is rapidly evolving. Clean energy and lithium battery technologies are redefining how industries move, operate, and grow. Petrovolt. Our mission is to power this transition with safe, reliable, and intelligent lithium energy solutions. Led by a team of senior engineers from BYD with more than a decade of expertise. From the first 20 feet 1 megawatt-hour container BESS delivered in 2019, we keep developing customized battery energy systems for industrial energy storage, heavy-duty vehicles, and electric marine applications. It adopts triple fire protection design with built-in fire extinguishers in pack and cabinet, plus rear fire hydrant for full safety. Running noise is below 70 decibel. Seamless communication with DAI, Solis, Growatt, Goodwi, etc. Equipped with smart BMU and BCU algorithm, intelligent air cooling system, IP65 dustproof and waterproof, double cabinet, high power heating, battery insulation, cotton, etc. are working together to make the system ski smoothly even under -50 degrees Celsius. STS, the battery immediately supplies power to the load upon grid power failure, with a response time less than 20 milliseconds. Liquid cooling design enables stable operation within a temperature range of -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius and even wider. LFP battery with over 8,000 life cycles. The system could be remote monitored and controlled with intelligent EMS. Liquid cooling, stable operation at -30 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius. Safety protection, 3-layer fire suppression system, ultra-high charge and discharge rate. IP67 dustproof and waterproof, heavy-duty anti-vibration design. Beyond Petroleum, powered by Volt.